Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to be trying Spotify ads and I'll be taking you guys through the whole process. So I got a new account set up. Let's go ahead and create an ad. I'm going to try promote. Let's see if this works. See if my podcast pops up. Nope. It does not. So I'm going to promote a brand podcast. Drive with Andy podcast. Next, I'm going to try $25, which is the minimum. I'm going to let it run over the next week. Location, I definitely want to do United States. Okay. Age, I want 18. Actually, let's do 16 to 65 plus. Interests, people who listen to podcasts and education and study and focus. Next, I'm going to upload my podcast logo, and here's my logo. Let's upload this one. Please upload a 640 by 640. So I'm going to go ahead and edit that. So now I reduce the image size to 640 by 640. I'm going to go ahead and upload it here, this one. The link, I want to link it to my Spotify podcast. So let me go to Spotify, Drive with Andy. Perfect, this is it. Copy, paste. So it's going to link to my podcast. I'm actually going to create a voiceover now actually. Alright, let's record a voiceover. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Andy Mai. If you're looking for business content and you're looking to learn about e-commerce, marketing, entrepreneurship, mindset, anything when it comes to just business, my name is Andy Mai and I'm a 20-year-old entrepreneur. And if you click learn more below, you'll be able to go to my Spotify podcast to learn more about what I do as well as follow my journey. So if you guys are interested, click the learn more button below and join my journey. That's it, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna go done. Alright, so I made it under 30 seconds. So I'm gonna drag in the under 30-second version. Now it's gonna upload, and then now that's finished, I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna add my payment method. So I'm gonna fill this detail in. So I'm gonna stop the recording now. Perfect. Now I'm gonna tick these boxes and place order. And yeah, it's completely finished. That's me taking you from A to Z on setting up your first Spotify ads. So watch out for a video where I go over the results, where I go over how to scale it and just the potential, because right now the CPM is insanely low. And what you guys want to do is get into the habit of learning new ad platforms, because who knows what's going to be popping off and what you get insanely cheap for. So CPMs can be super cheap, and I could be driving a bunch of super cheap traffic, not only to my podcast on Spotify, but I could send it to my Instagram, to my YouTube, to a course, to a case study, to a webinar. Anything is possible. Hope you guys found value in this video. Hope you guys were able to basically see how simple it was following the whole process. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, drop in the comments below. I've been answering every single comment. If you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.